G'day everyone, welcome to Motormum Aussie. Well, I'm down at the local beach here, trying to do a catch and cook. I'm just going to go for some butterfish today, just herring, whiting, and if successful, we'll make a fish tacos for lunch. So hopefully we'll be successful. You can see it's a lovely calm morning. Don't have to throw it too far. Last time I was here, I had to throw out 10 or 12 feet to get a hit. What I'm going to do is just burley up a bit now. Hopefully attract a few in close. And the bait I'm using today, I'm just using some squid tentacles from when I did me catch and cook down in Bustleton. So hopefully I'll get a bit lucky and catch some fish. Rightio. Here we go, first cast, hopefully, first cast, first bite. Oh, first cast, first bite. Good start. No, it's only tiny. I might have gotten off, I think. Oh no, come back again. Oh, sand whiting. Oh, that's a decent sized little sand whiting. Plenty of bites, not hooking them. Oh, on now. That was only a few feet out. What have I got here? Another little whiting. No, he's off. Oh, what one? This might be a herring. Ah, he's off. Bugger it. No, he's not. He's still on. Oh, another whiting. That's a nice size one too. Won't say no to that one. Oh, that's a nice size whiting. Happy with that one. Oh, another hook up. This one feels a bit better. There's another whiting. Or a blowfish. Maybe it's not a blowy again. Oh, it's a double hook up. Two bloody blowies. Oh, don't tell me they're coming in now. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's whiting again, I think. Oh, I hope so. Hope it hasn't gotten off. Oh, it's still there. Oh, yes, another nice one. Ooh. Oh, get back up there. Only just hooked him. Oh, that's a nice. Rightio. Catch and cook, here we come. Not bad. 2 herring, 7 whiting. The biggest whiting there is 30 centimetres. So, fish tacos it looks like for lunch. The small whiting, I'll keep that. I'll use that for bait. For crabbing. Or squid. Chuck it on a jig and hopefully catch a decent squid when I go down to Bustleton next. So it looks like a successful day, enough to feed the family.